How are we doing, everyone? We are back with, of course, what is week 40 of GoMining's solo mining. And, you know, obviously, 2 miners, 500 terahash, 15 watts of terahash, 6.55% discount. And guess what we're going to do today? We're going to add about 3 terahash. The reason why is if you come on over to the raffle contest here, or actually, before you do that, if you go down to GoBoxes, you click on that, you scroll down, you see they have what's called a Dragon Box that is only available for the next 24 days. Now, this has been here for like a week, but I guess no one has known what the fuck it is, but they finally updated it and it tells you what it is. The way to get it is you have to participate in a raffle. I guess for the next 3 weeks or so, 3 or 4 weeks, the raffles are going to be for Dragon Boxes. The possible prizes, well, the top ones, 1,000 GoMining, 500 USDT, 16 terahash miner, 500 GMT, 8 terahash miner, 100 USDT, 100,000 Satoshis, 4 terahash miner, 100 GoMining, 50 USDT, 2 terahash miner, 50,000 Satoshis, 1 terahash miner, 50 GoMining, 10,000 Satoshis, 10 USDT, 10 GoMining, 5,000 Satoshis. And that's what you can get from this mystical little Dragon Box. And the way to get the Dragon Box, obviously, we're going to go to tasks, we're going to click on that, go on over to the raffle. Like I was saying, if you want, you click on here, go to the raffle and contest, it'll bring you to the same page. Expires in 6 days. Click on it to enter into the raffle. It's a little bit more expensive than the other ones. I believe the regular raffles were like $25 to enter. This one is $50 to enter. So what I'm going to do is I'm not this guy. I'm not spending $48,000 right now for a 100% chance to win. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little bit of an upgrade. I'm going to do that on my phone so no one sees you know, my personal stuff. No one can see my personal stuff. I don't want you guys to see that. So I'm just going to quickly upgrade this now. Payment confirmed. Just a moment. And look at that. Look at that. We added an extra 3 little terahash. 3 terahash was literally $59.69 USD. That's $9 extra. Still says I'm at 0 out of $50. So I'm just going to reload this page. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I guess there was a $2 and some odd cent charge. Or yeah, $2.02 charge. Huh. Oh well, that's okay. That's perfectly okay. There we go. I clicked on that little take part thing there. And I have 1 ticket. Obviously, I don't have a high chance of winning. So this looks a little confusing for the prizes, but the way that it works is, you know, top prize. The top prize is a legendary Go box that you can literally get some amazing shit from. You get some amazing stuff from that. Second place will be 5 Dragon Go boxes to 40 people. So that means like if you're a winner, you get 5 boxes. And then for 50 other people, you just get a single Dragon box. So, you know, hopefully by the end of the week, I'm lucky enough and I get that beautiful legendary box. And then, you know, we open it up and we get a fucking 256 terahash miner absolutely for free, because that would be amazing. But anywho, that is the Dragon GoBox Raffle for the Hong Kong Consensus 2026 that GoMining is being part of. But now into the actual video, which is, you know, our weekly rewards. But first, we're going to come on over to the dashboard. Our total Bitcoin rewards is 0.04153843 Bitcoin. It says it's worth $3,010.08 USD. I feel like every time I do one of these videos for the past few weeks, this number's just getting lower and lower. But that's because Bitcoin's going lower and lower. But I don't care. I do not care. We're going to come on over to the Bitcoin, to a USD. Oh my God. Again, today, Bitcoin's down just about 4%. I think last video I did, it was down 5%. We're going to paste this in. $3,022.42. Okay, look at that. An extra $12. This one needs to be updated. But either way, we're going to come on down a bit. And then for the week of January 27th up to February 2nd, it says we've mined 0.000799720 Bitcoin. But of course, I want to make sure that the number is correct, so I'm quickly going to put that in my calculator. But if you take a good look before I do that, 2 days this week were paid with GMT, which is beautiful. That means we got the full pool reward, aside from this day, because, you know, it was the bonus miner. And for some reason, the bonus miner, it won't let you use GMT for it. But that doesn't matter. Look at that. Look at that Bitcoin. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I believe at least every week now, 2 days will be paid with GMT. So that's an extra amount. That's extra. That's what we need. Okay. It is on the ball. It is literally on the ball. Not even a Satoshi off. So beautiful. We're going to come on over here. We're going to copy this and we're going to paste it into the Bitcoin. But before we do that, let's take a guess. Prices went down a little bit. Last week it was $66. We're going to say $64, $63.
Oh my God, 58. Ah, why? Why are you doing that to me? Why? Bitcoin, go back up. Cripes.
Look, why are you doing this, Bitcoin? Why? But then again, last bear market, I literally held from 69,000 at that top all the way down to 15,000. And then we pushed all the way back up. For the people who sold, pussies, man. You're pussies. If we see the same type of retracement that we did last time, which would be about 77%, Bitcoin will go down to around $28,000. But hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it just goes to maybe like 60K and then boom, straight to $1 billion of Bitcoin. Straight to $1 billion per Bitcoin. And now, if you want to start mining Bitcoin, obviously, a referral link will be down in the description below. You can literally get started today with just 1 terahash for $22.99. That is amazing. At current rates, daily maintenance fees paid in Bitcoin, you're making just under a penny, but that's at current rates. It is what it is. If Bitcoin goes, all the way up to $150,000, you're making 4 cents a day off of a $23 investment. Not too bad. And for the people who are already mining Bitcoin, well, across the board, they're having 10% off all purchases, which is pretty damn lovely. I just made a purchase myself, saved 10%. It was only about $5 I saved, but hey, $5 is $5. That's at least 2 espresso shots. That's what keeps me fueled. That's what keeps me going, baby. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon for week 41 and/or probably some other videos. Have a good one. Take care. And remember, invest your money. Don't be a pussy clot bitch. And have a great fucking day. Adios.
With my conversation, this just a demonstration on the way that I do it. Some people think it ain't real because they word ain't born.